Hi, I'm Jeannie. Welcome to M Legal, the law firm. I'm here with Mr. Mohit Suri, the international and renowned lawyer. Hi, Mohit.
Hi Jeannie, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. We are going to talk about the UAE India Treaty today. 2020 saw a phenomenal decision where India declared UAE as one of the reciprocating territories. Could you please throw some light on this?
See, India has been treating a lot of jurisdictions as reciprocating jurisdictions. UAE has been added to the list. Singapore, UK were already there.
Okay.
And there were at least 6-7 more territories where India was treating them as reciprocating territories. India and UAE had signed an agreement way back in 1999 about such a treatment of each other's courts. Why it is very important is that, say, over 60% of UAE's population is Indian.
Okay.
And a lot of businesses in UAE are owned by Indians.
Okay.
So if all of them decide to just leave without paying their taxes or without paying the banks there, it would be very difficult for that country, or any country for that matter, if 60% of the population belong to one country. And same for India, because UAE is a favored destination with most businesses in India because of the low taxation rate and other things.
Right.
So a lot of Indian businesses have set up their shop there.
Okay. All right.
So it's a win-win treaty for both the countries, because what happens is now a judgment of the Indian court is going to be treated as a judgment of the UAE court as far as UAE is concerned.
This is what a reciprocating territory basically means,
yes.
right?
Basically,
Okay.
basically decisions of a court
Yeah.
in that country are treated at par with the decisions of court with the Indian territory.
All right. So, how does it impact? Okay, I have two questions for you here. How does it impact, number one, the businesses in both the countries, and what advantage does it have in store for the lawyers in both the countries,
Okay.
India also and UAE also?
Okay. See, for the businesses, it's a great opportunity
Okay,
and a risk as well.
of course.
So people who wanted to default or who had a malified intention, they are going to suffer.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
But fair businesses would find it as a great opportunity, because now if somebody defaults on contracts and is actually held guilty in one court, you don't have to go through the whole procedure in the other country.
Right.
You just have to get it executed in that country. So that saves a lot of time and a lot of cost.
Right. And
Litigation in UAE is expensive, but it takes very less time.
Okay.
Litigation in India is less expensive, but it takes a lot of time.
Right.
So depending upon your priorities, I think you can just pursue in one court and have it enforced in the other. So it's a very big opportunity for the businesses. As far as lawyers go, I think it's a blessing in disguise, because a lot of businesses from India and UAE are interacting with each other. Plus, a lot of inhabitants of that country have liabilities in the other country. So it's going to be a lot of work which may come in.
That's definitely good news.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for such sound advice. For more such information and knowledge exchange, keep watching our channel, M Legal, the law firm. Thank you.
Thank you.